Poleni. Continue to do the best you can for yourself, your country. We live in perilous times. Some of you were taken down by police bullets just the other day. And what can we say? The media were not spared. So your colleague from Media Max in Nakuru got a bullet in her thigh, and you demonstrated. I think Kenyans now know the right to demonstrate, to picket under Article 37 of our Constitution is a basic right and not negotiable. But if people work well, if governments can work well and do justice to their people, then people will not demonstrate. But I hear you, James. I'd like to spend some time with you and to really understand the reason you made such an impassioned plea for basic health care. We still take a lot of people to India. India is what they call a medical tourism destination. There are only 3 PET scans which are able to detect early stages of cancer. One at Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital, which President Uhuru launched. I was there with him when he did. And the other one is at Aga Khan Hospital. And now I'm told there's a third one at Nairobi West. We need to be able